Hello and welcome to Voider video log number 2. In this episode I will talk about the bullet editor and enemy weapons. So let's dig in. So here's the bullet editor, and you can change the shape of the bullet. You can increase the radius for the circle or create a rectangle, not a triangle. And triangle, a line. So and here in weapons you can read these options are not bound to the current bullet, they are only to test how the bullet will appear on different weapons. So let's get back to default values. And yeah, you can change. Oh no, that's the wrong. You can change the starting angle and the rotation speed, so you can make the bullets rotate. This could be quite fun if you have a rectangle or something like that and make them rotate quite fast. So let's create a standard bullet with no rotation speed, and the starting angle doesn't really matter for circles. Options, we should name is a circle. Save, and let's create a new one. And we can use this line and save it as, I didn't set the name, laser, save. And then we have the draw. Here you can actually draw your own bullets. So let's create a simple pistol bullet like this, and you won't see the lines in the actual game later. So here we have a simple bullet. Maybe it's a bit too big. Something like this. And we can save this as pistol bullet. Save. And now to the more fun parts of. And we're back. The program crashed, but we can still load the pistol bullet. And here we have it again, and I forgot something. I need to set the center, because right now the center is in that corner and we want it to be in the middle of the bullet, so we can use reset center to center the center. And save it again, and let's see. We'll create a new bullet, and we can draw a kind of weird bullet, something like this. This will be fine. And then we can set the center to outside the actual bullet. And now if we start with some rotation, we get some very weird effects. So we save this as weird, and now we can draw a final bullet. Let's call it phaser. Visual, and let's draw it. Yeah, something like that. Maybe rotate it a bit. Oh no, 355. And we can save this too. Okay, now to the enemy weapons. And here is the enemy editor, which you saw in the last episode. What we didn't cover was the weapons. So let's turn on the weapons. So we need to select a bullet type. So let's select the circle. So now it shoots. Oh, I should have made a smaller circle. Well, it doesn't matter. Or yeah, it does. So actually we'll go back and draw a smaller circle, and see you soon. So now I'm back with the new smaller circle. So let's see, you can change the speed of the bullet, you can the damage, but yeah, you won't notice anything in the editor. And you can change the cooldown, and the cooldown is, so now it will shoot a bullet from 0.1 seconds to every third second. As you can see here, it's quite random. 2 shots in a row, then maybe a longer time, and yeah, or you can do like this. So let's set it to 1 again. 1 and 1. So you can have different aim. Currently it's in the moving direction, and you can also have on the player. So now it will try to shoot on the player where it's at the moment. So as you can see, it doesn't hit me even if I do like this, it doesn't hit any. On the other hand, if I do in front of the player and I let it go like this, it will calculate where the player will go and aim there. That's why you can see some of the bullets will be very far out. And finally we have rotate. This rotates the shot, so it's, yeah, you can see it a bit better if I change the cooldown. Yeah, and that's about it. We can try this with the laser, and you will get something like this. You can decrease the speed, so this is not recommended to have these many bullets. I doubt it will run this smoothly on a phone. So, and as you can see, you can't go from one side to the other. It's impossible. So let's speed it up again. And now it will take some time for the bullets to go away. That's kind of bad. So let's actually do like this. We'll start a new window, here is the code, and here we are again. So let's go to the weapons and no, let's go to the movement and turn on AI. I've talked about this in the last video log, so if you haven't watched that, you can go and do that to understand what everything means here. So let's do like this, bit more movement speed, a bit less turning, and let's turn on a weapon. So let's say the pistol bullet. So now it shoots in the direction we can take in front of the player. That's kind of huge bullet though, but or we can take, let's take the bullet and select the weird. Yeah, now you have a real weird enemy. What is it aiming on the player? Okay. Or you can take the bullet and take the circle again, and oh no, cool down, and let's circle. Let's set the aim to rotate instead. And a bit more speed. So yeah, as you can see, you can create kind of different types of enemies. And what was the last? Yeah, we have the phaser too. I haven't phaser didn't. Oh, I didn't save the phaser. Well, let's go with the pistol bullet again. Oh, and we don't want to do like that. So one and one. No, one and one. And the aim should be still rotate, but the rotate speed should be 0. Let's go to the path. So now every bullet goes in that direction if you set it as rotate, but with no rotate speed and the specified rotate angle. So yeah, it creates a new bullet every time you change the rotation angle. So you can do something like that. And no, yeah, that's everything for this episode. Hope you liked it, and see you next time. Probably not in 2 weeks, but 3 or 4, I think. Yeah, bye.